Hello students, today we are going to see about the step-by-step fraction, that is about the case 10 here. So without any delay, let's start out this problem over here. So in this problem we have 1 by x plus 3 by y plus 2 by z plus 1 by 4 is equal to 23 by 68. So you're going to find the value of x, y and z, and you're going to substitute over here to find the value of 2x plus y minus z. You're going to find out. So as usual, what you will do, you will take this 23 by 68 and you're going to reciprocal over there. So after reciprocaling them 68 by 23, you have to find them in terms of the mixed number. This is a mixed fraction. That is 22 by 23. Then you will get this value will be indicating as your x value. As straight away to the x you have 3. So you have to reciprocal this number and multiply by 3. That's very important. That is 23 by 22 into 3 you have to do. So you will be getting 69 by 22. This one when you do, you will get 3 by 22 you will be getting here. Then you will be getting this 3 value as your y value you will be getting. As straight away to the y, you have here 2. So you have to reciprocal this number, that is 3 upon 22, reciprocal it, and you're going to multiply with 2. You will do that step particularly over here. So 22 by 3 into 2, you're going to get here 44 by 3 you will be getting here. Then the next step comes over here, it is to find the value of z. So to find the value of z here, this will be equated with here 44 by 3 you have to equate it. That is 44 by 3 is equated to z plus 1 by 4. This 1 by 4 shifted over to the other side as you want to find out the unknown value over here. Then after taking the LCM over here is 12. So into 4 into 4 into 3 into 3 you will be doing over here. Then 44 into 4 you will get 176 minus 3 by 12 is equal to z, which gives me here 173 by 12 is equal to z. Now I'm going to find out the value of 2x plus y minus z. Let me do it over in the next slide. 2x plus y minus z. As you know, the value of x is equal to 2 and the y value is 3 and the z value is 173 upon 12. So you will be getting here 4 plus 3 minus 173 by 12. Now 7 minus 173 by 12. So LCM is 12. You will be getting 84 minus 173 by 12, which results over here. It is minus 89 over 12. So now it is very easy to understand how you can do this particular problem. Next similar way, let's see about the next problem. In the next problem is also similar to this case. So let me explain once again. You have to take 18 by 61 and you have to reciprocal over it. So in the reciprocal you will get 61 by 18, that you will be getting as 3 7 by 18 you will be getting. Then you will be getting this 3 as your x value. As straight away to the x, you are having the number over here, it is 2. So reciprocal this 18 by 7, that into 2 you will do. You will be getting 36 by 7, which gives here 5 1 by 7. So as you got 5 1 by 7, so my y value is equal to 5 you will be getting here. Then the next step, straight away to the y, you have it here 4. Now you have to reciprocal it. So once you reciprocal the number, you will be getting 7 by 1 into 4, you will be getting here 28. Now what you will do, this 28 will be equated with z plus 1 by 5 you have to do. That is 28 is equal to z plus 1 by 5. So 28 minus 1 by 5 is equal to z. After taking the LCM is 5. So 140 minus 1 by 5 is equal to z. So z will be equal to 139 over 5. You're going to get the z value. So now I got x, y and z. Now I'm going to substitute over in this value. That is 4 into x value is 3, y value is 5, minus 3 into 139 upon 5 you will be getting here. So which is 12 plus 5, which is 17, minus 417 by 5. So now 17 into 5, 85, minus 417, that total by 5. You will be having here minus 332 by 5. So this is the value over here. So hope you understood. In this video I have explained only two problems so that you will understand better. So other problems I'll put it over in the other case so that you will be able to understand each and everything and practice over it. Okay students. So bye. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye students. Take care.